Okay, I'm checking the sound now to see if this blanket and these pillows are helping out the echo situation. Okay, now I added pulling down the blinds a little bit to see if that's going to help the situation a little bit. We'll see. Hopefully there's less of an echo now. Let's see if adding this blanket is going to help the echo situation. I know it's not going to help the heat sink for sure. My computer is now going to blow up with heat problems, but hopefully the sound issue is going to be resolved. But we will find out. Okay, this is ridiculous. If I whisper all the way around this, I'm going to find where this microphone is able to solve the fact that it is echoing way too much, and I could do something about it if I'm trying to find a fucking microphone on my computer, okay? Okay, so test the sound here.